Go home happy with the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Make every journey a pleasure in this comfortable, well-appointed Jetta. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.